Thank you for joining me today to delve into the remarkable world of autonomous agents. So in today's topic represent a significant technological leap and a transformative force across various industries. So today we stand on the brink of a future where self-governing software and machines fundamentally refine efficiency, decision-making and innovation. So autonomous agents are basically self-operating systems capable of making decisions and executing tasks autonomously without constant human oversight. So this independence is already revolutionizing fields such as manufacturing, where AI-driven predictive maintenance forecast equipment failures before they happen, significantly reducing downtime. So in the challenging terrain of disaster management, autonomous drones have been invaluable in assessing damages, delivering supplies, and locating survivors where human reach is limited. So these examples underscore the transformative potential autonomous agents hold, showcasing their role in making systems more intelligent and responsive, saving countless lives and conserving resources. So turning our attention to the economic landscape. The global autonomous AI and autonomous agent market stand on a testament to rapid growth and unmatched potential. So valued at USD 4.8 billion in 2021, it's projected to 28.5 billion by 2028. So it's growing at a compound annual growth rate at around 43%. So this growth is driven by critical factors such as technological advancement in AI, machine learning, and robotics, and ever-increasing demand for automation across industries, which aims to boost productivity and reduce cost, as well as the critical role of autonomous agents in real-time, large value of data processing for quicker, more informed decision-making. So, however, the journey of autonomous agents has its challenges. Ethical implications, security risk, integration hurdles, and landscape regulatory are areas which need careful navigation. So the path forward requires a collaborative efforts to educate, innovate responsibly, and engage in ethical discourse to fully harness the potential of autonomous agents while safeguarding societal values and individual rights. So in conclusion, autonomous agents represent a pivotal innovation in our quest for advancements. They offer a glimpse into the future where machines not only think or act autonomously, but do so in a manner that enhances our quality of life, democratize access to services, and open up new opportunities across every sphere of human endeavor. So as we look forward to this exciting future, let's also commit to guiding this journey with wisdom, ethics, and inclusive vision. Thank you very much.